Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Happy Crafty Easter project. Today I have a really simple insert card for you. This is my bunny silhouette insert card. Isn't that so cute with the bunny sitting inside that egg? Of course I included an envelope as well. Now this particular card can be made on any of the CRICUT cutting machines. There are different files for the CRICUT Explorer and CRICUT Maker series, and then for the CRICUT Joy. The only thing that you'll have to remember if you're going to be using a CRICUT Joy is that you'll need to be using a pre-made card base and envelope. This one is super fun to put together and really quick. So let's get our materials ready and get started. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Happy Crafty Easter 2023. If you're watching this after the event has ended, you can find the individual cut file for purchase in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. There's also a link in the description box below. If you're interested in the VIP Access Pass, which gives you all 12 event files, commercial licensing, printable worksheets, video tutorials, and bonus Easter cut files, there's a link for more information in the description box. No matter how you purchase the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer. Now for this tutorial, I'm going to be using the CRICUT Explorer and CRICUT Maker version, but if you're using a CRICUT Joy, you can select the CRICUT Joy. Make sure that you're using the SVG, and go ahead and open, and upload. Highlight the image, and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that the file has been brought into our canvas, we can go ahead and ungroup the design. Now we have a few things that we need to convert, so go ahead and scroll down the layers panel and find the envelope, highlight the score line, come up to the operation menu and change that to score, highlight the group and attach. And lastly, we need to do the same thing for the card base. Highlight the score line, change that to score, highlight the group, and attach. Once those two things have been converted, we can go ahead and click Make It. I'll be using the mat for this project, and you'll see the different mats for this card. Go ahead and click Continue. I'm going to be using medium cardstock for this project. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, now that everything's been cut out, it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So just like all of my other insert cards, they're super easy to put together. That's one of the reasons why I love to make them so much. So we're going to take the card base, go ahead and fold and burnish along the score lines. Now you might need to use your weeding tool to get some of the pieces that didn't release very easily on the mat. So go ahead and weed first before you do this part. Now we can go ahead and burnish with our scraper. Go ahead and open up the card base, and then we're just going to slip the insert into those slits on the card base. And there is our cute little insert card. Super simple, really, really cute. I'll set that to the side, and then we can go ahead and make the envelope. So for the envelope, we're just going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Add your glue around the outer edge of the envelope flap. Take your inlay panel and go ahead and just put that right on top of the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around and fold those side flaps in. Add your glue along the bottom edge of those side flaps and push up with your thumbs and press. And there is our envelope. And our card is all set. Isn't this one super fun? I love how quick and easy it is and how you can knock a whole bunch of them out really, really quickly. They're super, super fun to make. You all know that I love insert cards. If you make this one, make sure to post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of crafty friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. Until next time, I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife. I'll see you at the next crafting video. Bye.